It's super frustrating when you need to find a file but you don't know where it is. You might be looking to back up your music or move files, but the location is hidden. So don't worry, let's fix that. First, on a Windows computer, you can find your Spotify files by opening the Data app folder. So that's the app data folder, okay? Go to the local folder and then find the Spotify folder where your downloaded music is saved. On a Mac, Spotify stores your files in the library folder. So you could open the Finder, hold Option, and click Go, then find the Library and Caches folder where you're going to find all your music. On Android, open your file manager and go to the Android folder, then tap Data, and you should see Spotify's music files there. Lastly, if you use Spotify Premium, your files will be stored in a cache, but they can't be played outside of the app. So now you're ready to find your files. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Love ya. Ciao.